the manufacturing industry producing more data than any other industries in the world. We are in the age of Industrial 4.0, the integration of IoT technology into the manufacturing industry fundamentally changes how you operate and continue to stay competitive. Real-time actionable data as the key. Manual data collection is time-consuming and inaccurate. It can cause significant downtime and production losses. Every millisecond, your machine generates hundreds of data points. It tells us what happened in the past, present, and the future. It's time for you to harness those data and kickstart your factory's digital transformation journey. Why choose Tanand Technology as your IoT solution provider? Tanand Technology provides a wide range of IoT solutions for your factory that easily connect, collect and visualize data from your manufacturing machines, identify your production bottleneck and identify accurate downtime reasons to provide you with real-time actionable data. We believe in simplicity of use and time to value. Tanand IoT platform is easy to install and fast to implement. You can start visualizing your data in a matter of hours. With universal plug-and-play, your machine data are standardized across the IoT platform. Tanand IoT application is easy to use, drive rapid improvement in efficiency, and training is minimal. Our user-friendly dashboard provides real-time actionable data to help you instantly analyze your data and see the bigger picture of your production. With Tanand flexible IoT platform, we can easily integrate with your existing system or hardware. Tanand Technology will deliver the right information to the right person at the right time. We offer various price plans based on your business requirements and case studies. We can deploy the system into your building, plant with minimal downtime and achieve ROI faster with greater output, lower defects. Our system can be accessed 24/7 anywhere and perform autonomous control with machine learning and smart algorithm. It's time to start your IoT journey with Tanand Technology and transform your factory.